in the Rain by William Wetmore Story. Read for LibriVox.org by Raven Notation. I stand in the cold grey weather, in the white and silvery rain. The great trees huddle together and sway with the windy strain. I dream of the purple glory of the roseate mountain height, and the sweet to remember story of a distant and clear delight. The rain keeps constantly raining, and the sky is cold and grey, and the wind in the trees keeps complaining that summer has passed away. But the grey and the cold are haunted by a beauty akin to pain, by a sense of a something wanted that will never come again. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.